But I've been wanting to make YouTube videos like this for so long, and finally we're getting the first video done. If anybody's watching, that's great. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. So this is my first video ever, and I want to basically introduce myself. So this is the beginning of the journey. I've been putting this off for so long, honestly. I'm making this channel to document my journey and growth as a producer. So I'm from the United States, but I'm living in New Delhi, India, and I'm studying at Berklee online. So I want to show you guys how I make music and the different processes that go into that. Music production, like arranging, mixing, workflow techniques, and how music is made from my side, how I make music, and hopefully you guys can learn something from that, because I think over the years I've gained a lot of experience and I've learned from others, and that's sort of how the process works. You learn from somebody else and you share the knowledge. So that's kind of the goal with this channel. I want to share what I've learned from others with you guys. Hopefully you guys get something out of it and share it with other people. So I just want to be part of that as well. That's a huge reason why I started this channel, basically to share knowledge and share experiences. So yeah, that's my idea. I'm not trying to be too wholesome or that's just how I feel right now. So what you can sort of expect out of this channel would be like gaining music production experience and tips and tricks that you guys could go back and use in your own productions, things like that. As we move forward, I want to share more and more stuff with you guys about my life experiences, and hopefully you guys can take something away from that too. And yeah, that's pretty much where we're at right now. I'm excited for the future. So thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned. Surfing Squad up.